Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Let me introduce myself. My name is Almira Didante Farakonita. I'm from English Literature Study Program, and in this occasion, I would like to say thank you to this opportunity to me to present my senior research proposal with the title is Analysis of Main Characters in the Fatherhood Movies. So the first is the first is The first is what is a fatherhood movies is a is a movie that follows the story of Matthew Logelin, a young widower who unexpectedly becomes a single father after the sudden his wife passing of his wife. The film explores the challenge and trials of parenting as well the importance of love, connection, and community in raising children. The film also highlights the importance of male involvement in raising children and the need for societies to support single fathers. Overall, the film is an emotional portrayal of the importance of the fatherhood and the challenge faced by single father in society. The second is table of content. The first is introduction. The second is literature review. The third is methodology and procedures. And the fourth is result and discussion. And the last one is conclusion. So the first is introduce. It's the some hypothesis that can be derived from the movie from fatherhood is a first is gender roles and expectation in the context of parenting plays a significant role in the family. The second is single fathers face unique challenge in raising a child, especially when they have to navigate unfamiliar social environments and break gender norms. The third is the support of extended family and community is crucial for the well-being of all family members, including children who have experienced the loss of a parent. The second and third. The fourth is children can be surprised us with their resilience and adaptability even the face of difficult circumstances. The last is the love and support of a parents all can make all the difference in the child life. Chapter 1 is literature is a defined piece of writing that values imaginative works of art, especially novels, poetry, and movies. Movies use elements of technology in the manufacturing process and movies have a special attraction for people. The movie is made up the true story that makes the audience feel integrated. Each character refers to the humans author create to inhabit their story in the character should be believable and consistent, but that they are believable within the context of the story. Problem of study is the what is factor contributes to the success or failure of single father household in raising child. The second one is how the parenting style as a single father found in the movie Fatherhood's movie. Okay. Objectives of study to find factors contributes to the success or failure single father has in the raising children. The second one is to find out how mature parenting styles in the found in the fatherhood movies. Chapter 2. Characterization is a way of identifying the nature of each character. By Jauhari 2013 explained that characters are the outer portrayal of people or performers. The Experience of Single Father by Brian P. Allen. This study investigates the unique experience and challenge faced by single fathers, including their struggle with social isolation, financial terrors, stressors, and the stigma of being a single father. Father and Mental Health, a review by Richard Williams. This review paper explores the relationship between fatherhood and mental health, including the impact of parenting responsibilities on the well-being and the effect of father absence on children's development. Previous related studies. American Beauty movies in 1999 is a story about a suburban father's midlife crisis and his struggles to connect with his daughter. The second one is Pursuit of Happiness, 2006. A father is a tale about a father and his son's struggles to survive poverty and homelessness, a story of resilience and determination. I already watched the Pursuit of Happiness. The actor is Will Smith. It's a good movie. Chapter 3. Chapter 3. This research applied the descriptive qualitative data method using the scene and dialogue as a benchmark to be researched. Data analysis is conducted using Bloch's Way-Petris theory to reveal the characterization. Data analysis is the conduct by using Bandura theory to describe the factor of becoming single parents. Data analysis conducted using Baumrind theory to reveal the parenting styles. Finding. The method we use is the research use qualitative method according to Criswell 2017. Qualitative research is a means for exploring and understanding the meaning individuals or group ascribe to social human problems. This method relates to perception, opinion, and ideas being studied, and all of them cannot be measured by numbers. To answer the research questions, data analysis is conducted by using MBOX with Petris characterization 2008 theory to reveal the characterization of characters and determine using Bandura factors 2009 theory what contributes to a character becoming a single parent by analyzing the scenes and speech it acts in the movie. The representation found the categories of based on the Baumrind 1991 is theory of parenting styles. There are three important parenting styles described by Baumrind: authoritative, authoritarian, and permissive. In the study, using the technique of collecting data by first downloading the fatherhood movies and watching it movie properly, then adding dialogue that match the title of the movie, then determining the main character in the story and understanding the conflict of main character and the last one can write down the important things from the story. In addition, it also uses the technique of analyzing data by using several methods. First, examining the characterization of main character, namely Matthew and Maddie, then analyze the main factor that caused Matthew to become single parents, then analyzing the way of parenting that Matthew does to his daughter and the effect of the way of parenting that Matthew applies. After that, it can match the data with the theory that can be determined and then describe the conclusion in the story. Okay, the next slide is the finding. Matthew Loughlin is the main character in this movie. He is the father, the child named Maddie Loughlin. Matthew Loughlin has a characterization. Is the first one is moody, irritable, loving, optimistic, careless, responsible, worried, and selfish. Matthew character is portrayed as a young man who finds himself in unexpected situation. He is dedicated to being the best father he can be to be his daughter, but he also struggles with grief and loneliness as he navigates his new role. Through the movie, Matthew experienced significant character growth as he learned to accept, hold more others, to connect with other parents, and to find community support. As he learned to love, care for his daughter, Matthew also learned to love and care for himself. His character arc is one of resilience, and he learns to keep moving forward despite the challenges he faces. As a single father, Matthew's journey of self-discovery and growth speaks to wider social discourse around fatherhood and the expectation and responsibility that come with the role in modern society. Um, Matthew Loughlin is optimistic, is a attitude that show a sense of confidence in success and also positive future feeling that can overcome various obstacles. This is also show the optimistic characterization of Matthew Loughlin in the fatherhood movie. The second is responsible. Responsible is trait that is show the authority a person who can be trusted in carrying out job and assuming responsibility. This also show the responsible characterization of Matthew Loughlin in fatherhood movie. The second one is Maddie Loughlin. Maddie Loughlin was the child of Matthew Loughlin. She is still in kindergarten. She is the child of has a tomboyish personality. First is he has 6 character is first is cheerful, the second is grumpy, third is tomboyish, and the fourth is possessive, five is scared, and six in intelligence. Care. Care is trait of behavior that show a sense of concern and attention to others in the form of word and action. This is show the characterization of Maddie Loughlin in the fatherhood movie. She's really care about his father. B is the second one is tomboyish. Tomboyish is a trait of behavior of women who show roles like a man and also dress like a man. This also show in the tomboyish characterization of Maddie Loughlin in this fatherhood movie. Characterization, the data of the movie contains the dialogue and screen in which data were taken from the script of dialogue of the fatherhood movie, indicating characterization Waybox Patrice Waybox and Petrie 2008 state that characterization can be defined into numerous types in the movie, such as is characterization through appearance, and characterization through dialogue, characterization through external action, and characterization through internal action, and this last one is characterization through the reaction of the other character. Factor single parents. There are some factor-based the theory factor by Bandura that found in the fatherhood movies. Is the first is one of the factors is by his wife, as the research explained that Methyl wife died due to her illness. Second is another factor is that after 12 hours, Lizzie struggled to give birth to her child and then declared dead due to lung disease. Lung disease. The C is the third is the last factor causing Matthew to become single parent is also due to obligation of Matthew to become two parental roles at once for his child. This movie is left from a true story and from the novel to Kisses from Maddie. From the data that change into received by using the research, this locating is in accordance with Bandura theory. Conclusion is based on the findings and interpretation in this previous chapter. The research after analyzing the measure of character in this movie, from the analysis of the movie, the researchers found that there are two most dominant characters in this movie, namely Mette Logelin and Maddie Logelin, who play the roles of father and daughter. Mather has eight characteristics: responsible, optimistic, moody, irritable, worried, loving, careless, and also selfish characterization. Meanwhile, Maddie has six characteristics: a tomboyish, grumpy, cheerful, intelligent, possessive, and caring. Characterization. The research conclude on the two dominant characters with various elements from the theories about characterization that character can be determined through the appearance, choice of name, internal action, external action, dialogue, and reaction of other character. Factor of becoming a single parent because his wife died and taking responsibilities to his daughter, and the last is three parenting styles of Medellogolin towards Medellogolins, namely authoritative, authoritarian, and permissive. For future recommendation, the movie Fatherhood highlights the struggle of single fathers, and demonstrate the importance of the emotional support and community resource in the navigating the challenge of the parenting based on the film themes and future recommendation for single father and their communities include the following: building support network, encouraging single fathers to connect with parents, group mentorship programs, and other support network that can provide emotional support, practically assistance, and a sense of community that this can help to reduce feeling of isolation and provide a sense of belonging to a larger social network. Thank you. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you for your great attention. I will end here. I will be say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.